Don't let the gloom of winter bring your business down this season. Discover how to embrace winter. Winter is the perfect time to ignite your marketing with engaging brand ambassadors. Let's dive into the magic. Visual appeal is crucial for captivating your audience during colder months. Transform your content into eye-catching winter scenes. Brand ambassadors are essential for effective winter marketing strategies. They bring warmth and connection to your message. Invite your community to participate in the Snow Off Challenge. Let's celebrate outdoor fun during chilly weather. Engage your audience through unique contests like the Snowman Building Competition. Creativity in your community reigns supreme. Encourage influencers to share their sledding adventures using creative hashtags like #sledding2024. Share the excitement widely. How about an ice sculpture contest? Let's inspire creativity and engage everyone with magnificent ice designs. Snowball fights can spark joy in any winter campaign. Challenge brand ambassadors to share their epic snowball battles. Countless opportunities exist for user-generated content to shine through winter marketing. Authentic experiences create a personal touch. Explore winter hiking with your brand advocates. Encourage them to share their unforgettable outdoor moments on social media. Ice skating ads bring together fun and exercise. Grab your skates and showcase moves with #IceSkating2024. Promote the creativity of building snow forts. Let's see who can build the most unique winter masterpiece together. Host a contest for the best hot cocoa recipe. Allow brand ambassadors to creatively incorporate your products in their recipes. Encourage creative snow cream recipes, highlighting your brand's unique flavors. Let's whip up an irresistible winter treat. Explore winter sports with your community. Share those exhilarating moments, using hashtags like #WinterSports2024. Winter adventures await with thrilling activities like skiing. Encourage everyone to showcase their experiences through engaging content. Engage your audience with charming winter picnics. Capture these moments with fun hashtags to spread the cheer. Don't forget to dress up your pets. Let's spotlight their fashion sense this winter while promoting your brand. Your winter marketing can shine with creativity and authenticity. Get ready to unleash a blizzard of engaging ideas.